burning with dust because the ash flow here. Everything, yeah, burning with dust. And then no local people here building house this because they want to run cannot right. So wait a second, I want to because. So we are on the Merapi volcano, and our chauffeur driver, he lives here on the volcano. Yes, I live in here. You live on the volcano? Yeah, on the volcano in around 7 kilometers from the top. And this is like a bamboo, and then wood, everything is new. Living new after eruption 2010. Wow. Yeah. And this is the house, this same building new. Yeah, all new, yeah. Yeah, all new. But many people out there move back from here because they are scared. Yeah, scary. Maybe you want to stand up, please. You can stand up. You can hand the camera. Every day in around here many trucks like this because they get sand and the stone. Okay. Yeah. For construction. From the building house. Yeah. And alien stone, the big one. The big one. Oh, the big one is alien stone. Wow. So you can think so very powerful eruption. Right? Yeah. And this way is the way the lava went? Yeah, lava flow here in 2010. Whoa. Until 17 kilometers lava go down from the river this. Okay. This material lava, this from eruption 2010. Wow. Everything material lava. Before eruption 2010, for go down river this until 200 meters. So this was a very big river. Yeah, very big river. But because material lava flow this river, so lava cover it and then the aftermath. Okay. And maybe in the top not cloudy, you can see like that, like in the picture there. So oh, okay. You can see root lava in the top, alright. But now it's very cloudy. Yeah. So you can see now only the hill and the body. Yeah. Not the top. How big is it? 2,000 something? No. Or 3? 3,000. 3,000. Okay. area 4.5 kilometer maybe. And this is bunker building 2001 for the room protection from the ash. But in eruption 2006, 2006, the people died inside the bunker because they want to save from the ash. But lava flow here, and then 2 people cannot get out, and then they died inside the bunker, like in the room open. So in 2010, in eruption 2010, this bunker not used anymore because not safe from the ash. Maybe you wanna go in or the picture before in the front?
Yeah, of course.
The picture before?
Can we go down?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Or do you want the picture before, or you wanna go down? Up to you.
Yeah, we just want to go down and see.
Oh yeah. Yeah, please, you can go inside in the bunker, please. You can see like a room 6.8 meter maybe, and then people can go in the bunker this until 30 people or 30% can go inside. Do you want to go up there? I see the view is good, but do you want to take video?
Yeah.
You can go this way. Yep, this one. From here you can see in the river.
Wow.
The Gunung Merapi also. But don't very close with the river, right? You can go there, but don't very close. Or don't jump.
Don't jump down.
And you see in the Don River, this is the land. Yeah, you see land?
Yeah?
This is the land local people here. They get material, sand and stuff. Time eruption 2010, lava flow here. Many also, and then everywhere around here.
It's crazy.
And you can see after eruption only like ground, only like this, not green like now. You see there in the Don River material, like a big stone in the Don River, then the lava clay.
Okay.
Yeah, lava clay from eruption 2010, and then from eruption before 2010. And in Merapi eruption or lava flow until long until 1 kilometer from the top in 2018 until 2019. Lava flow go down until 1 kilometer. You can see.
So guys, we are on our way back to the normal ground, back from the volcano. It was an amazing trip. 1.5 hours with the jeep is enough, and we saw the beautiful volcano. It's very hot up here, so remember to bring some water
and sunscreen.
and sunscreen. And remember, if you hire a Jeep, then go for this company, Belantara. With the pink Hello Kitty Jeep. Is the best option you can get, definitely. Definitely. And choose this guy, Eddie.
Yeah, hello.
Always choose Eddie. So, see you.